kids, good morning to all. I hope you all are staying at home and staying safe too, right? So in previous class what we learned about additions. So what do you mean addition? Adding one number to another is what? Addition, right? So if I'm adding something, I have more or less things. I have more, right? Because I'm adding. If I taking out or if I give something to someone, if I get more or less, I'll get less only, right? So today what we are going to learn about subtractions, right? So what do you mean subtraction? So when I have 10 chocolate with me, how many chocolate I have? 10. If I give 5 to my friend, how many I have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? So I have 5 chocolate with me is what? Subtraction, right? So I have how many chocolates first? 10. 10. Can we count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now I have 10 chocolate. Okay. My friend want 5 chocolate. Okay. You give 5 chocolate to your friend. You had given now. So now you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many chocolate you have now? 5 chocolate is what? Subtraction, kids. Okay. So that only we know more about subtraction. Okay. I'll just give you some example here. Okay. So what is this? So I'll just show you some shapes here. Even you learn about shapes also, right? So here shapes I have. What is this? It's a square. This is triangle. Sorry, this is cone. This is triangle. And here is a circle. How many shapes I have now? Can you count? Count now. Okay. Can you see these? Now count these shapes. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many shapes I have now? 4. So I take out this circle now. Okay. This I don't want now. So I'll just take out and keep this in a basket. Now how many shapes I have now? Can we count? 1, 2, 3. So here how we should do in a numbers. Okay. So here first we have 4. Right? 4 shapes. Now I take how many shape? 1 shape. So I'll take 1 shape. So here 4 minus 1. So I have how many shapes now? 1, 2, 3. 3. So if you think, what is this? It is symbol for subtraction. Right? For addition, what you do? You do like this, right? It's a addition symbol. For this is for subtraction, kids. Okay. Here you should add. Okay. Here you should take. You should give to others. Right? You should take out. Right? Addition means take in. Subtraction means give out. right? So here 4 minus 1 is what? 3. Okay, now I'll just do some exercise here. Okay, so we'll just see here how you have to do, right? So here I'll just draw some butterfly. Have you seen butterfly? Right? So I'll just draw some butterfly here. Can you count with me how many butterflies are there now? 1, 2, 3, 4, and here the 5 butterflies. How many butterflies are there? 5. Okay, and here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 butterflies, right? So here one naughty butterfly. This naughty butterfly is feeling very hungry. So he fly. Where he fly? To get what? His food. Right? So he fly. So he fly. Right? So if he fly, how many butterfly left? 1, 2, 3, 4. Right? How many butterfly left now? 4. Because this butterfly fly away. Right? So like that we'll do. What is this? Lollipop. Do you like lollipops? Yes, right? So we'll draw some lollipop. Okay, can we count how many lollipops are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. How many lollipop we have now? 8 lollipop. Okay, and that's your birthday and you want to give these lollipop to your friend. Okay, here you have 2 best friends. Okay, here you give this lollipop to Rohit, right, and this lollipop to Veda. Okay, you had given 1 lollipop to Rohit and 1 lollipop to Veda. Now how many lollipop left? How many lollipop you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have 6 lollipop with you, right? So is it what? Subtraction, kids, right? So what we will do? We will give to others. And whatever we have is what we get, right? So here in 5 butterfly, 1 fly, right? 1. So equals to how many butterfly left? 4. Like that. So in how many lollipops we have? 7 and 8. 8. Okay, so we had given 2 lollipops. How many lollipops? 2 lollipops. Now how many lollipops we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. right? So this is what? Subtraction. Okay, I'll give you one more method. Okay, this is very easy for you. Okay, so what you have to do, you just need to put lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay, you just write the numbers here. You know the numbers from 1 to 500, I guess, right? So here, if they had given like this, 5 minus 4. Okay, so here you should start always with the 0. Okay, 5. So we'll go to number 5. We'll jump first here. Okay, then 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we are in which number? Number 1. So we should write 5 minus 4 equals to what? 1. Okay. So this is what? One more easy method. I'll tell you one more method. What you have to do? I'll just with the fingers. Okay. Now just show your hand, and this is right, like this you can hold whatever the number. Right, this is 7 now. Okay, I want to give 3 chocolates to my friend. How many chocolates? 1, 2, 3. Right, so how much we have now? 1, 2, 3, 4. Like this also we can do. If you know backward number, you know backward number from 20 to 1. Right, so if you know the numbers, then it will be more easy for you, right? So I'll just give you one more example. Okay, so I have a fruit basket now. Okay, so you have to share your fruits, right? So here I have mango, strawberry and watermelon. Right, can you eat all these fruit in a one time? No, you can't eat, right? So I like strawberry, I like apple. This is very big, watermelon. So I'll thought to share this watermelon to my friend. Okay, with my family or with your parents, right? So you give this to your mother now. Okay, just give it back. Now how many fruit you have now? 1 and 2, right? That you want to eat, right? So here there are 3 fruits. In that you had given only 1 to your mother, and you have 2 fruit in your hand. Right, this is what subtraction is. Right, so you love to do this, right? So in addition, what we'll do? We add. Right, in addition we will add like this. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. In subtraction, 3 minus 2. 3 minus 1, 2. We have 1. Right? So this is what addition. Here it's a subtraction. Right? So you have worksheets for subtraction. Right? So you try to solve. Right? Tell your mother to put more exercise. Right? So you can calculate with your hands. Right? With like this. Right, or one more method I can tell you. Okay, here how many number you can see? 8, right? So we can put the lines. How many lines we have to put? 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? How many we have to take out? 2. Right? So we can cross it. here 1 and 2. What? So how much left for us? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right? So in 8 we take out 2. So we got 6 here. Right? Is what subtraction is. There's many ways that you can calculate. It will be more fun, kids, right? So you just do more exercise on subtraction, kids, okay? So you can do all the worksheets they had provide you, right? So you just solve one by one all those small exercises, right? So you can right, with these story exercise you can do, or with the fingers we can do, right, by putting these lines, right? This is also a very easy method, right? So I hope you all do this exercise and be calculate, and thank you for watching. Have a great day, kids.